Hello, welcome back to a new stream on YouTube because I don't want to stream on Twitch at the moment. Well, in today's stream I want to code the dashboard for One in the Coast for those persons who were in the last stream know that I started to create the dashboard. I wanted to start creating it, but then we talked about random stuff, and well, in today's stream I want to make the dashboard. Well, I already started with the dashboard, so there are already some functions I implemented. Well, I said, well, I was awake just like in the night at 2 a.m. or so on, and then I got to bed, and yeah, I didn't sleep well, I guess, but that's not what we want to do in this stream. So I also want to show you a little teaser of the dashboard. Well, please don't expect much because it is far from finishing, and there are a lot of things I need to implement, so please keep that in mind. But I want to show you. So when you access the panel, you can do it under this URL, and it will prompt you to log in. So I use my credentials, I guess. So I don't show you the password because, well, you don't want to know it. So that's my username and now my password. Well, the problem is now, but I can fix that easily so that you can see my password. I'm so good. Haha. Nobody knows. Okay. Well, the problem is now I can do this, but this will not help because I'm stupid. Now you guys think, do you really think you can do this? No, I already... No, I can't do anything, only painting here on my screen. Well, I can't... Why? I don't want to paint anymore here, help! I can't close this. I can't do anything. Oh well, I can... No, I can't! I can't do anything! I don't know how to stop this stupid thing. Hello, please. Can I please close this? Is this not possible, or worse with this thing? Oh well, I need to... Oh, now this is more stupid than stupid. Or I hate it. I can't do anything anymore. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Well, okay, never mind. Okay, I guess I'll show you the panel with a new account because, well, if you see my password and stuff, I don't think it is nice. Well, but I don't use... Yeah. So, let's name this user test user. Don't even try to log in with this user account. I will delete it after the stream. And, well, you can't even do anything with the user at the moment, so no, don't try it. Okay, I use test, password, and submit and submit. Well, password need to be 6 characters. Test. I hate this stupid thing. By the way, today I can see the chat actually, so I have it open on my phone so I can see every message you post. So if you want to post something, you can do it. I will read you messages and I will answer them as good as I can or as good as possible. So click on submit. Now we ignore this message because I don't care. Okay, so test user and password, which is the most secure password you can use. So I'll click on login, and now we are in the dashboard. Well, I know the dashboard is looking really simple at the moment. I know this, but at the moment I do backend stuff, so that means I don't do this design of this dashboard at the moment, I do the functions. So you see at the moment this button does not work, and that's because I didn't implement this feature yet. So I need to make the backend first to make then the front end. So this is a very important rule I already told you in the last stream. So first do the functions, then design it. And that's what I do. So I don't care at the moment about the design or how this looks, because I have more things to do in the backend than in the front end at the moment. And designing this dashboard is much more complicated later, guys. But the functions I create at the moment are also very bad, and I guess you don't hear me the last minutes because I'm stupid and forget to move the microphone in my direction, but I guess it's okay. So, well, yeah, this does not work, and this button also does not work at the moment, but you can this button will redirect later to manage and then account, but you see at the moment that this page does not work because I'm stupid and I don't know how to fix this shit. So, well, I can do much stuff with PHP and HTML, but not as much as I need to. So, well, yeah, my Discord about me is wrong then, but actually I can create things with PHP. And yeah, I mean, I learn from copy and pasting code. So when I copy and paste it, I look at it, so I learn how to do things. But I started learning PHP around 2 years ago, and I know much now. So without for example this experience I have got the last years, I were not able to create, for example, this thing here, link srg.ga. Well, I know the domain is not connected anymore to repo it, but the problem is I can't access Freenom, so I can't do anything to make this domain again working. So what I can say, this thing here, this link sharer does work, but I don't have a domain to let this thing work. But eventually I will host it on my web space I use on a different hoster. Well, actually I can use my own hosting provider, so I can also use Organic Host to host this page, but I don't want to because it does not helped me much to host it on my own hosting providing service, because I need the space for customers, because I don't know how many customers will come in the next month, and I need every gigabyte and megabyte and kilobyte for every user there. So, well, that's really important. So, but you see, this page were not possible without my experience in PHP. Well, actually I used a code which I copy and pasted, but I modified it, so it isn't the original code anymore. So, well, yeah. I can show you this in a live example. Well, for example, just let us use HTTPS and then one Yannick host.tk, and before I switch back to the dashboard, then I will also show you another service I created with PHP, which would also not be possible if I don't know how to, or if I don't have any experience. So click on generate link, and our link is finished. And because this does not work, we need only to copy the thing after the backslash and then paste it in here, and then we are here, link HTTPS and the link I used. Okay, so let me show you another thing I created. I hope it works. But oh, okay, I'm done. Let's switch to Replit. Looks like nobody is online today in this stream. It's really sad. Or is this stream not online? It is online, but nobody watched it actually. Okay, that's fine. If nobody is there, it's okay. So let's see our reports, and then I search for this. So feminist. I don't know when I created this service. Well, there it is. One page host. 7 months ago I last edited this thing. Okay, let's run it. Oh, they changed the design of Replit again. I see this. This was not like this before. Oh, and they are now supporting tabs, so you can open, for example, multiple tabs. Wow, that's really nice and cool, and I love the new design, really. That's really cool, and yeah, it's nice. But I also see this because, yeah, I have beta functions, or I have the Explorer thing enabled, so I see new things earlier than any other user that don't have this thing enabled. So yeah. Now I want to show you the one-page host service. So simply go to one-page host. Then my name. Don't know how you spell it in your country. So not a microphone need to be a bit nearer to me. Okay, so that's the website actually. So it does not look like much, but it is much. So behind this website is much coding, and I created this website when I actually started to make good page designs in my eyes. So well, that's the start of good things. Okay, so let's start and host. Well, the thing I really use now, or really what I use often now, is my own wizard tool, or one wizard, or I don't know. But I made just like a wizard tool, which makes the user experience much better and also much easier. So you don't need to select much things also, and you can click on the buttons and do some functions or upload something, and yeah, that's basically all. You see, I can click on the next button and it will go to the next page. So how I do this is really easy. I use a get variable, which is defined here, and it's S for step, and yeah, that variable gets changed and PHP read it, and I am happy. So how is okay. So let's use this as when in the coast. I don't know. Click on next. So that's also right, and we click on the rest. That's the right button. So that's what I meant with it is easy for the user. So you only click on the button, you can control anything, but you can also go back and change it again. So yeah, let's go to the next step. And now we can upload our files already. So we are on the 4th step now, and now we can select. The website will also check if you used one of the given file formats, and if this isn't the case, it will throw an error. For example, if I now use let's use a .css document. So you see that the extension is not allowed, and so that's what I meant with this. So yeah, for people who already know me longer, actually know this wizard, because last year when I firstly created fileshare.ga, I had a design that looked like this. No, now it does not look like this anymore, but it looked like this before. Okay, so just select a document. Well, I use one of my own pages. Actually, I will use this in XPHP. No, it will not work how it should like, but that's okay. Because yeah, so that's all. Now we can access our website on this URL. So let this thing load a bit longer. So there we are. As I already mentioned, it does not look good because the CSS is not enabled, and that's a problem, but yeah, you see some things like this works, and this also works, and this works, and yeah, that's one page first. So the last thing I want to show you is my file sharer website, which does not work anymore, but is okay because, yeah, I'm stupid, is a newer version of this wizard. You see, looks very similar with the old one, but this wizard I actually designed with a IT programmer, so would actually know what he do and who create websites like every week. So I designed this wizard with him, and he helped me with the colors so that they match, and said what I can do better. And well, when I finished this thing, he said it looks good, and I was happy. I created this page when I was in their IT company for a week, to where I also created cool pages and websites and helped them. And when I was finished with the work they gave me, I started creating my own pages or making them new, because when I firstly created the filesharer.ga, it looked really bad, and with really bad I mean really bad. And yeah, so I think just make a redesign. It only costs me actually 8 hours or so, and then the page looked like this. The functions are the same as before, but the design is now different, and that's the cool thing. Okay, I showed it wizard now, but I can already say you this thing does not work anymore because I don't know, it does not work. So click on next, and yeah, now we can type in our name, for example Yannick, and then we can click on next. Well, this also looks similar to the one-page host thing, right? Yeah, a bit. Now, here it tries, it asks you if the username is correct, because it used this username later for the file uploading. But yeah, actually I can't show you this because it does not work. Here you can also click on change my name, and in one page host it was change the name of the website. We can, which is a new feature, abort this wizard at any time. We only click on this and it aborts the wizard, which doesn't mean we need to restart it. No, we don't. We can go back and then we are on the same step as before. So we click on next now, and now we need to select a file, but I don't guess that it will work, so we can test it out, but I don't think. I use my own avatar as every time. Okay, it does actually work. I was not expecting that, but you see, this thing doesn't work, but I will fix it, and you can download the file, which is cool. So I did not expect that, but it seems to be a problem when you want to, for example, upload a video, and I don't know, eventually I will change the file sharer.ga thing to image share or something like that. And now I need to get up for some seconds to get my drink and my water. So yeah, that was all I wanted to show you. That has nothing to do with the dashboard, but I don't know, here it was Actually, like I created the design in something like that first, and then I created functions. But now, since I have more experience with web design, I start with making the functions first, and then I create the design now. So yeah, now the train is coming here. Every half hour a train comes and drives here. So now we go to the dashboard so that I can design the dashboard. Lol. I go to the dashboard to design the dashboard. Really interesting. Oh fuck. Oh no, my microphone is dead. No, it is not. A thing that really disturbs me on the login pages. Wait, I show you. Look on this. It is in the top left corner, and on the mobile device it looks more stupid than here, because here on my tablet the screen is bigger than on my mobile device. And just imagine you turn your device just like this, and now you will see how stupid this page actually looks like when you have a mobile device. And because my tablet is bigger, it does look more bad than on my phone actually. So yeah. How can we change this is the question now. Well, first we need to go to the login page and then to the index.php, and here we already have a style tag. I'm sorry. And the wrapper is a thing that is used for the login form, I guess. So let's easily fix that problem. So we make the login thing, or the login form, we make it now that, alright, why the fuck my browser closed? This makes no sense at all. I only typed in some things. Why does this stupid app doesn't work? There was also a problem yesterday. I wanted to code something in the Brave browser, and what did this browser? Well, it crashed every time I wanted to open a freaking website. I only opened a website, and this browser closed immediately. And now don't suggest me to use Opera, because Opera is the same as Chrome, because it uses Chromium as a base, so it does not change anything. And Brave is also based on Chrome. So wow, nice. Okay, let's go to the index.php again. Hopefully it does work better this time. So here we are again. So how do we center this form now? Well, the first thing is we do position, or define the position, which is absolute. Then we say that it should be 50% left and 50% at the top. So, and then we say transform this thing, translate, and then we make this minus 50% and the same thing again. Then we close this and it should be in the center now, hopefully. Yes, you see here now the form is in the center and it looks better. Now when I turn the device, it will look like this. So we can fix this, and it is also really easy to fix this problem. We need to go to the head tag and then we make a new line, and now we type in the following thing: meter name is viewport, content equals initial. No, that's not the first thing. Width is the device width. The initial scale equals 1.0, and that's how we need to define it. Now this page also looks good on mobile devices. So looks like this at the moment, but if we turn our device now, it should. Oh well, I'm bad at programming sometimes, because normally it should look like something like this now, but it does not look like this, which is really interesting actually, because did I something wrong? Meter name report. Width is device width. Huh, that's really interesting actually. Or did I not save it? Let me look at my FurnaceBot website and then I use this. I actually did the same thing. I don't know why this stupid thing does not work. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Yes, I have many websites here on my web space because why not? 30 gigabytes, I guess, of web space it was. Okay, we get go back, meter name. What did I warn with this thing, huh? Don't know. Another thing we can do is to change the background color to dark blue or midnight blue. I don't know what looks better. Okay, don't say anything. I know it looks bad, but I will change this bad look. So just look what I do. Then I do this. Let's do this with 5 pixels. Then we do this. Okay, and now I refresh the page and you will see it looks much better now, huh? Or what do you think? Well, it's not perfect, but I will make it perfect. And Actually, it is a bad idea to use blue because I want to display the logo here. But at the moment it looks okay. So I need to change a bit now because 4 pixel, 10 pixel, I don't know what looks better. Eventually it looks bad now, but it's okay. No, why? Why I did this? Okay, it looks better. I guess we can also use a custom font. I don't know. How does it look with arrows? Okay, don't know if the blue is really a good idea for this, but at the moment I'm good with this. So I also love the surrounded. Well, do you know what I do now? Let's go to free pick. Then we search for what about server, and then we click on search. Well, we can use free pick because they offer free pictures. So let's look what they have. I really like this one because there is much stuff displayed there, and what I will do now is I download this. Or no, I don't download it actually. I will you will see what I do now. So go back to our file manager. Why it starts raining the moment? Okay, we go to background, then we say UL, and then put in the URL to the picture, close this again, and oh well, I'm so dumb. I am so freaking dumb. No. I click on save first before I do anything. Oh, nice. Now my phone is off, so I can see the chat. Well, nobody writes something actually, so it is not this important. Well, styling a website is one of the important things in web development, because if it looks bad, no one will access your website. No repeat. Center. Okay, that's all. Guess and now we are fine. No. We are not fine. Because I did something wrong. Because if you do something wrong, it will not display anything anymore. And that's what I guess is the case. Well, screwed too much. There we are. font. Let me... Oh, I see. I forgot an E. Haha, that's so funny. Okay, now it should work. Yup, it does, but can I do fill or something like this? Yeah, I can do filler, but I don't know if this works how I want it to be work. Cover. Turns blue, and that's funny because it does not work anyways. Well, how do I do this now? Okay, that's not how it should work, but it's okay. Refresh, and now it looks better, but now not how I want it to have. Okay, so the only thing we made in this stream actually is we created or made the login page better, which is actually fine because I want to do stuff without saying much things, and designing this dashboard without talking much is better than talking. So yeah, we streamed actually 42 minutes now, and also nobody watched this stream actually, so it's fully okay if I stop this stream now. So thanks for watching, see you next time, and bye guys.